Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be a home decor haul. Before I get started, I want to invite you to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Become part of my little YouTube family. And don't forget to ring the notification bell so you can get alerted every time I upload a new video. So now that the spring is coming, I feel like I'm coming out of hibernation. I am just in the mood to redecorate and just refreshen my home. And I'm going to start with the bedroom because my master bedroom has been kind of needing a little extra TLC lately, and I am so glad that I finally was able to put something together and finally make my master bedroom, which almost like I've always wanted it. Everything that I got, I will leave the links down below if you guys are interested, but I did shop in Amazon.com and I got so many great deals. I'm gonna start with the new bed that we picked up. We've been wanting to upgrade our queen size bed for a king, and we were finally able to do that. And let me tell you, we've been sleeping on that for about a week and it feels like we're sleeping on a cloud. I love it, and the extra room that we have on that king size bed is just, it's luxury. The mattress I went with is called a Cool Gel Memory Foam mattress. So I picked up this mattress for under $500, and we were able to find a steel bed frame without having to buy a box spring or the traditional little bed frames that they used to sell. I'm telling you, whoever invented these steel frames is a genius, because this eliminates the need for a box spring and then you'll have to get the steel frame anyway. And this just makes life a lot easier. We got the 18-inch, and let me tell you how this gives so much storage under the bed. I was able to put a lot of the stuff that I otherwise would have in my closet out under the bed, and it's covered by a bed skirt, so no one will ever know. It's nice and tucked away in there, and I just love it. The whole bed itself is very comfortable and it was very affordable. I'm telling you, it's absolutely worth it. So if you're in the market for a new bed, I would recommend trying these out, reading more into it, do your research, obviously, because everybody's needs are different. But to me, it personally feels like it's almost like sleeping on a cloud. It's not too soft, but it's not extra firm either. So I am totally loving this purchase. Now, to go with that, I wanted to invest in a really nice luxury headboard, and the one that I got was this one that I picked out. It's a light gray tufted upholstered with the nail heads, so I simply love it. I just wanted something kind of like in the gray neutrals so that I won't have to worry about like colors and all that other stuff. So the vibe that I want in my bedroom is kind of like a luxury hotel suite that's very like nice and plain and minimal, but also touches of elegance. So the headboard itself was pretty on the expensive side, but I did invest in it because I knew it would make such a difference, and it will kind of be like almost like the focal point. It kind of frames the bed, so I love it. There's no regrets there. And also, I wanted to show you guys this Mr. and Mrs. sign that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. This was about $24.99, but it's like a perfect little piece with the wooden frame. It just very simplistic, and I absolutely love it. It's not too big, not too small, so it's like the perfect size for that area. The next item that I invested in, guys, I am extremely ecstatic about. This is something that I've always wanted. Even since the day we moved into this house, it's going to be like 10 years, almost 10 years, and ever since I saw that ceiling fan in my bedroom, I always wanted to replace it and get a chandelier. And guys, finally I was able to get a chandelier for my master bedroom. I am so happy. The chandelier that I found on Amazon is all glass crystal, and I love it. It looks way more expensive than what it really was, and I'm going to leave it linked below because this is an awesome piece and it makes a statement. So yeah, this is something that I've always wanted, and I am like so grateful that, you know, I finally have it in my room. So it's like super excited, and it looks gorgeous. It definitely makes a statement, and it adds that touch of luxury and elegance that I want in the room. You know, since we're staying home a lot these days, you have to, like, I don't know, I feel like you have to prepare and organize your space so that you can feel okay and motivated and happy and all that other stuff. So you have to create the space that you want to live in, and that's exactly what I'm doing. I am investing in my home. So in my bedroom, I have two dressers, one for my husband and I on either side of the bed, and what I wanted to do is add a touch of greenery in the room. So I found this onion grass pot in Ross, and I ended up picking up 2 of them. They were $10.99 each, and as you can see in the greenery here, there's different shades of green and making it look nice and highlighted. And as you can see, the actual grass is pretty long. So on top of the dressers, it really elongates the room and it makes it look a lot more, I don't know, kind of like sophisticated in a weird way. But these are glass pots, and yeah, I didn't want to get any florals for the bedroom because I didn't want to turn it into too much of a girly feminine thing. So I think with the grass on top of the dressers, keeping the dressers pretty much plain for the most part, would do the trick. I also stopped at Target and I picked up this room spray from Casa Luna, and this is in the scent called Clarity, and this is made with grapefruit and ginger, and it's meant to inspire reflection, but I don't smell the ginger in this. It just smells really nice and invigorating. You do smell the grapefruit, and I sprayed this on my sheets one time in the morning, and by the time I got into bed late at night that same day, the little hint that this left behind, the smell was like so fresh and clean, and I simply love it. This bottle was $10, so this is not really a linen spray, it's really a room spray, but I did kind of into the air spray over the bed, and it landed on the sheets and I could still smell it at the end of the day. So I really like this. This was $10 and I love it. These do come with like the matching scented candle, the diffuser, but I really wanted a room spray so that way if I have to like leave, I don't have to worry about leaving a candle on. Again, this one is called Clarity and it's from Target, and this was $10 and it's non-toxic and I love it. I already put the curtains up, but I wanted to show you the window treatments that I got for the bedroom. I did cover most of my window with my vanity, a long mirror, and some shelving. So as far as privacy, that's not going to be an issue. So I really wanted something white and sheer to kind of let a little light in, but still make it look nice and simplistic, I guess I'm looking for the word. So these are the curtains that I picked up, and these I got from Ross. They were a pair of 4 panels for $16.99, and as you can see, the panels have kind of like a ruffled edging, and I just love the little bit of, you know, like shabby chicness that it adds. I simply love shabby chic. I'm all into the French cottage shabby look with a little, you know, luxury hotel vibe to it. So those curtains I got at Ross. So another thing I got for the room is this picture frame. Currently I have a picture of my husband and I in a silver mirrored picture frame that I've had there for a few years, so I kind of wanted to change that up. So I found this one at Ross for only $4.99. It kind of gives me the whole French cottage shabby chic feel to it. So I'm going to replace our picture and I'm going to put it here. So since my bedroom is almost done, I've decided that I'm going to be redecorating and redoing my whole bathroom. The master bathroom has been neglected hardcore and it needs a lot of TLC. So I'm going to be renovating the master bathroom. I am going to be painting the cabinets white, and I'm going to be giving the walls a nice little hint of color. And I decided to do my master bath in a violet shade because violet inspires tranquility and serenity and calmness. So what I wanted to do is kind of give it like a little spa vibe. So in my bathroom, I want it to be really like you walk in there and you're like, you know, relaxed, kind of like unwinding. So I picked up these swatches from Walmart because I am going to be picking out a color so I can put on the walls. Right now the walls are white, so it looks very plain in there. But I really wanted to go with just a little hint of lavender, and I got all these swatches, but I think I narrowed it down to the one that I really want because I really don't want anything too purpley. I do want something that has a little hint of gray. So I was thinking of going with either this one that's called a Lavender Cloud or this one that's called Icy Lilac. And I don't know, I might go with the softer color because I know sometimes the color tends to be a lot richer than it is in the cards. So I might go with this one, and I'm gonna be doing the bathroom in a nice little lilac color. So I'm super duper excited to get that bathroom done because it really is a hot mess in there. My towel rack in the bathroom is a black metal frame one. I'm going to be spray painting it white so it can pop against the lilac wall. So I got one of these. These are actually really good. They cover really well over metal. And this is Rust-Oleum Twice the Ultra Cover Paint and Primer and Semi-Gloss because I do want that shiny finish. So I got one of these at Walmart. Also for my bathroom, I got this from Walmart. It's a towel ring, and I don't have one of these currently in the bathroom, so that's why I wanted to put one in there so that we can put our hand towels. So when we wash our hands, we'll have something to dry them off with. So I'll be putting this up. So from Ross, I spotted these beautiful little violet flowers in the perfect shade, and as you can see, it's just like a bunch of these flowers, and I do have a vase near my garden tub, so I wanted to kind of add a little bit of florals in there just for that little pop of color and give it a nice little florally touch now that spring and summer's coming. These were $7.99 from Ross, so I will be showing you guys how I do my bathroom. Actually, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe so you won't miss that video. I will be recording the journey. I'll be showing you how it looks currently, and I'll be showing you the progress. So stay tuned for that because that's next on my list. But first I have to get my master bedroom done, and yeah, then I'll start on this. So I'll be having some projects coming up, so don't miss out. So since the walls are going to be a light lavender color, I picked up a white shower curtain, and this one just has little pom-poms on it just to give it like that nice touch. And I got this from Marshall's. This was $19.99, so it's a little bit expensive, but yeah, it's just plain white, nothing too special, but I really wanted, you know, the simplicity of it all with the spa atmosphere. I picked up this rack from Ross for only $5.99, I guess because it didn't have the cardboard saying what it was, but we really needed one of these in our bathroom because right now we're just kind of throwing our towels over the garden tub, and that's not cool. So I got one of these to put over the door so we could put our robes, we could put our towels to dry, and whatever else we need to hang up and kind of like not have thrown on the floor. So this was a pretty good find and always useful in a bathroom, so I'm so glad I found that. Really quick, I wanted to show you some of the hand towels that I got. I got these at Marshall's, the set of 2 for $7.99. So these will probably go in the towel ring, and these are I don't know, they feel really soft. It says that they're made from bamboo fibers, but they feel really, really soft, so they just feel like really high quality. It's from a brand called Home Focus, and I love it. It kind of has these scrolls going on, and it's gray and white, so the bathroom will be like a lilac with gray and white towels and the white cabinets. I also got these fingertip towels from Marshall's. The pack of 2 was $7.99 also, and I'm not sure if I'm going to put these on the towel ring or the other ones, but these are called fingertip towels. They're just a little bit smaller than the hand towels and bigger than a washcloth. So I got a pack of 2, and I also got a set of 4 baskets because I'm going to have to reorganize all my stuff in that closet. Now I know these are small and I do have a lot of things, but I do already have some shelving and a few other things, so I think this should be good enough. I got the baskets from Marshall's for $7.99 for a pack of 4. So I thought I was done with bathroom stuff, but I guess not. This is the last piece, I promise. This is for the bathroom. This is called the Spa Tower, and I found this at Ross for $5.99. Look how pretty this is. Like, you can put sponges, soaps, towels, washcloths. I just thought this would be a good addition to either the countertop in between our sinks or the garden tub to hold our little toiletries. So I thought this was really nice for $5.99. I think it'll add a nice little something to the bathroom. So I thought this was a really good buy. So I hope I can make good use out of this. I really like it. So I'm finally done with bathroom stuff. I guess I'm going to start on some kitchen stuff because I bought some stuff for the kitchen. And let me start with this because I thought this was really cute. This is like a little decor piece, and I'm planning to put this right over my stove because I just have like a wall over my stove and in between where the fan is, so it's kind of bare. I really didn't want to do anything Easter related, so I got this from Walmart. It was only $4.98, and as you can see, it's just a minimal design, kind of look like Almost looks like a farmhouse kind of thingy, but I thought it would look really cute, and I did put it up already. It does look really nice. So I thought this was a really nice piece for only $5. And I also found this little sign for $2 at Walmart, and it says the dishes are looking at me dirty again. And I love this. I'm going to be putting this right over right over the sink. We have a window there, and I'm going to be putting that there. So I think it's cute, a little bit of humor for the kitchen, and I really like that. I got some new kitchen towels. I didn't want to buy anything Easter related, so I got these, which is gray and white, again with the minimal designs and the colors. So these were from Ross, the pack of 2. Actually, these were from Home Goods. The pack of 2 was $6.99, and I really like it because we did do our kitchen cabinets. We painted them white, and they look fabulous. It really does brighten up the whole kitchen, and I am loving it. If you've seen any of my videos before, the cabinets were brown, and it really darkens up the kitchen, and I just love how bright the kitchen looks right now. I also bought a valance from Amazon, and this is the pattern. It's kind of like a damask medallion, gray and white, and I can't wait to put it up. But it's by the brand called Drift Away, and yeah, it's really cute. I'll show you guys as soon as it's up so you guys can see. Okay, now I bought this, and I'm not even sure why. I was almost sure that I didn't want to buy florals, but I was like, somewhere in the house I'm gonna want to see flowers. So I got this from Ross. This was only $6.99, and look how pretty they are. They almost look like cherry blossoms. So I love it. So for my dining table, I found this table runner, and it has the edges with the floral garland, which is really pretty. As you can see here, it's embroidered, and it says spring has sprung. So I did get this for that one touch of spring Easter kind of element. I just didn't want to overdo it this year because I find myself changing out so fast as soon as the holiday is over that it almost feels like it's a waste. So the good thing about this one is that it's reversible, and in the other side you have these pretty colors. I love that there's options here, and this was $9.99 at Ross, and they have a lot of different ones. So I'm telling you, you can never go wrong with Ross home decor, especially for the spring. They have the best spring stuff. That little decor piece that's for over the stove came with this. It says Hello Spring. Well, now it says Hello Spring, and I thought this was cute. I took it off of that because I want to put it somewhere else, and yeah, I just thought it was so cute. It has, you know, the little tie up. It's like a little tag, and I love it. So for my living room, I got some silver gray, what are these called? These are the energy efficient window panels, and I love the panels that have romettes. These were on clearance in Home Goods for $22. These are the extra long ones, 96 inches. They go all the way down to the floor. So this is all I have for you guys right now. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe today so you don't miss my future uploads. I am going to be redoing my master bathroom, and I'm going to be doing more home decor hauls because I have a few projects coming up, and I'm excited to share that with you guys. Don't miss out on my birthstone inspired makeup looks that I'm posting every single month, and I guess I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!